Who's that little guy?
My grandson.
Man, he makes that horse look big.
he thinks he's something.
That's awesome, man.
It is. Have a good day.
Okay, take a look at this little guy right there. Tiny little guy. That guy's grandson riding out here with the big boys. Man, that is one big horse for that little boy. That's so cute. It's not something to see every day. Good old-fashioned cattle drive. That's okay, man. I'm enjoying this.
What's that?
I'm enjoying this.
Yes, thanks.
Yeah, it's so cute. Daddy and his son, his granddad's back there in that side by side.
So what in the world could this crazy old woman be talking about when she says we're surrounded? Well, it's May. And as of last night, we've got probably 50 head or more with all the babies of cattle out here just past our fence line. And they'll be here all summer into the October time frame. They herd them all out again, along with the cowboys and the herding animals. So they got dogs out here to herd. And this morning it was cute. We had all the babies off in that corner over there, and there's about 4 moms taking care of them. They use babysitters, so the rest of the moms can go and feed. And the little ones look like they're maybe a month old. They're pretty young. Very cute. But at this point, we handle things a little differently. We make sure we don't let the dogs out. And if a dog is caught chasing a cow, they can be shot. This is open range territory, and the cows rule. So we have to be real careful with that. Even ourselves, we've walked across that bottom pasture and had a bull come chase us. So it's not the same. And we don't fence it all off because, thank goodness, there is a tax break on open range. So anything you have fenced off, like our pasture here and the area we live in, is taxed normally. But we love watching the cattle. This is a great deal of not only entertainment, but just joy to see the animals. And I hope you can enjoy them too. Anyway, signing off for now. See you in the house with the quail eggs. Or no, I won't see you in the house with the quail eggs. I already did the quail eggs. I'm confused. What's new?